What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video we have vz102660, which is one of our vicrez rear diffusers, and this one comes with the thin LED light which is actually on one of the skirts on the rear diffuser. Let me go ahead and get this out of the bag and I'll show you. Now this is for our Dodge Charger RT and SRT fitting 2015 to 2023 models. So it obviously comes with a small thin LED, and we do send it with screws as well. And then here we can see on the rear diffuser where it gets installed, and honestly it looks really clean on the car whenever it's installed. And here's what the back looks like, and of course with all these tabs on the top, it'll just snap right into your rear bumper and then be bolted in place at the bottom with these holes here. And when installing the LED, it's really simple. With the added screws, you just align it in place. It'll sort of snap in, and then you can go ahead and tighten it the rest of the way down. And this is what it looks like whenever it's installed. That's pretty much it for vz102660. If you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure to like and hit that notification bell to get notified when we do more videos just like this one.